This is the SANDMARC Hybrid Sling, available in both 6-liter and 9-liter. Today I'll be showing you around the bag, how I pack it, and why it's a great bag for photography and travel. First, let's take a look around the exterior of the bag. We have 3 zippered pockets, the front admin panel, the main compartment, and the rear laptop or tablet pocket. On top we have a soft double-stitched handle, and on either side are the attachment points for the removable strap. The strap is adjustable and has the same soft padding for comfort. Moving to the bottom, there's a zippered pocket that holds the gear straps. These can be used to secure anything you'd like, from a jacket to a tripod. For a little extra utility, the back has a luggage pass-through for easy traveling. Now, let's take a closer look at the interior. Starting with the front panel, we have mesh pockets along the top, and we have additional pockets down at the bottom. There's also a zippered pocket on the front. This is the pocket where I keep my different accessories like my iPhone charger, my MacBook charger, my power bank, and my AirPods. Because it opens halfway down, we're able to keep loose items securely or long items like our 10x telephoto lens. Moving to the back, I chose the 9-liter sling for the extra space that could fit up to a 14-inch laptop. I used it to hold my 14-inch MacBook Pro, and it fits perfectly and is nicely secured. Finally, let's move on to the main compartment. It unzips fully with the clamshell design, and right away you'll notice this Velcro flap. This acts as a divider to keep your camera separate from your other gear. There's a pocket for an AirTag and multiple mesh pockets for organizing small items like SD cards and other accessories. Flipping it around, the other side features removable gear pouches that can be used for lenses and other small gear. I like to bring along the telephoto 2x, the macro 100mm, and the anamorphic 1.55x lenses, along with an accessory like a Pro Light. You could also remove the pouches completely to make room for your camera. The 9-liter is great for DSLRs, while the 6-liter is great for mirrorless cameras. Here's a full-frame Sony lens that can now fit inside. An FX3 body can also fit on this side, but I'm using it to film this video right now. So, if you're a photographer or traveler looking for a clean, organized sling, the SANDMARC Hybrid Sling is a great option to hold your gear. Subscribe for more creative tips, demos, and tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.